Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to get filters on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So as you can see right now, I'm in a dummy meeting, and to add or set up for filters, make sure to turn on your camera and click on this little arrow icon and click on choose video filter. And from this list you can select any filter. Also you can select avatars from this list and click on video filters tab and click on studio effects. Now you can change your eyebrows and beard, you can change your lip color. So this is how we can get filters on Zoom. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.